We're staying in our ground floor plan rev5.dwg, and what we're going to do is we're going to take a look at some of the other layer tools that are available to you in AutoCAD. So we're still in the same drawing. We're going to zoom in on this landscaped area here. You'll remember we changed this layer to the landscaping layer in the previous video. So just zoom in a bit so that you can see what you're doing. It's always good to zoom in. And then go to the Layers panel on the Home tab on the ribbon, click on the flyout and just pin it open. Don't worry about layer states, we'll cover those later. I want to show you some of these tools up here. Now at the moment, landscaping is the current drafting layer. Now it might be that I want to select a layer in a drawing, I don't know the name of the layer. So I can click on Make Current, like so, select the object whose layer will become current. I'm going to pick that purple one there, and you'll notice that Bike Bays becomes current. And then I can click on Make Current again, click there again, landscaping becomes current. I can also match layers. Now I love Match Layer, it's a very cool tool. I'll click on Match Layer and I select the object now that I want to change first. So I select the table here and then press Enter to confirm that. Select the object on the destination layer and you'll notice that I've put that table on the Bike Bays layer, like so. So let's put that back onto its appropriate layer. I'll just undo what I did. There we go. Goes back to the appropriate furniture layer that it needs to be on. Now there are some other very cool tools here, you'll notice. I can turn the layer off of a selected object. So if I click on Turn Layer Off and select, say, the landscaping, like so, layer landscaping is current. Do I still want to turn it off? Even if it's the current layer, say yes, and it's gone, like so. Press Enter to confirm. Now, you'll notice when I go into the layer drop-down, landscaping, even though it's the current drafting layer, is turned off. I'll click on the blue light bulb, that turns it back on again. I can also do that here, turning layers on as well, turn all the layers on in the drawing. And here I can isolate, and I can also unisolate layers that were hidden or locked. And notice here I can thaw all layers, and I can freeze the layer of selected objects as well. So if I click on Freeze the layer of selected objects, I'll select that line there again, the landscaping, press Enter to confirm, and it doesn't freeze it because it's the current drafting layer. So what I need to do there is change my layer. Let's just go up to layer 0, like so. There we go. And what I'll do, I'll go to the freeze icon again, select the landscaping this time, and there you go. It freezes it for me because it's now not the current drafting layer. Press Enter to finish. You can go and select other objects that you might want to freeze as well, but you need to press Enter to finish. I'll just undo that, and that brings obviously our landscaping back. Investigate those tools. See how they can make your AutoCAD workflows easier. There are some very cool tools in that Layers panel.